Creating a stunning corner garden can be a transformative experience that elevates the overall aesthetic of your landscape. Mastering the art of corner gardening allows you to utilize often overlooked spaces in your yard, turning them into elegant retreats that enhance your home's curb appeal and provide a serene escape for relaxation. In this guide to corner garden mastery, we will explore innovative designs and practical tips to help you craft a captivating corner garden that harmonizes with your existing landscape while reflecting your personal style. Before diving into the design process, it's essential to assess the unique characteristics of your corner space. Take into account factors such as sunlight exposure, soil quality, and drainage. Different plants thrive in varying conditions, so understanding your environment will ensure the success of your garden. Symmetry and balance. An elegant corner garden often benefits from a symmetrical design. Incorporate elements such as trellises, garden benches, or decorative stones to create balance. This symmetry can draw the eye and provide a sense of order to your garden. Layering and texture. Incorporate plants with varying heights and textures to create depth and interest. Taller plants like sunflowers or hollyhocks can stand majestically at the back, while shorter flowers, such as pansies or marigolds, can fill the foreground. Mixing foliage types from delicate ferns to robust succulents will add a rich tapestry of texture. Color harmony. Choose a color palette that complements your home and landscape. Elegant designs often feature harmonious color schemes. Consider using a combination of perennial flowers for continuity throughout the seasons, ensuring that your corner garden remains vibrant year-round. Every corner garden deserves a focal point that captures attention and serves as a conversation starter. This could be a striking sculpture, a beautiful water feature, or a uniquely designed seating area where you can enjoy the beauty of your garden. Incorporating lighting can further enhance these focal points, allowing your corner garden to shine even after the sun sets. In your quest for corner garden mastery, consider implementing sustainable gardening practices. Use native plants that require less water and maintenance, and incorporate composting to enrich your soil naturally. This not only benefits the environment, but also contributes to the overall health of your garden. Mastering the art of corner gardening is not merely about arranging plants. It is an opportunity to create a cohesive and elegant design that transforms your landscape. By thoughtfully considering design principles, utilizing focal points, and practicing sustainability, you can cultivate a stunning corner garden that reflects your personal style and enhances the beauty of your property. Embrace corner garden mastery and watch as your landscape flourishes into a captivating ensemble of natural elegance.